Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2016 Subaru WRX all-wheel drive. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with a sport-tuned suspension, power side mirrors, deep tinted glass, keyless entry, and much more. 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, summer performance tires, the hood scoop, auto-off projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps, and a turbocharged 4-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 35,873 miles. A shark fin antenna, the quasi-dual exhaust, the spoiler, wraparound brake lights, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. The front row adjustable cloth performance design bucket seating, cruise, auto climate, a locking glove box, a power outlet, outside temp, a sport leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.